Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the AnyDesk application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find a symbol which is your profile symbol. Press on it and here you should press on the last option, which is delete account. And after you have done that, a new page will load in and here it will show you in gray steps how to delete your account. You can see that you have to go in the first step to my AnyDesk 2 section, and after that it will just show you every step how to do it. So yeah, this is a short article basically how to delete your account. You can just read about it very shortly and you will be able to do it without any problems. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.